Okay.
Okay, now let's go to tongue diagnosis. So I think this is about history of tongue diagnosis post, People's Republic of China, 1949 to present. No? Question 1, which color and coating combination was associated with gastric carcinoma in the Journal of Chinese Medicine article?
Gastric. So, green coating po ito with purple spots on the tongue body. Number 1.
Wow, okay. Ang hina. Number 2. During the Cultural Revolution, which group of practitioners primarily learned simplified TCM diagnostics, including tongue inspection?
Number 1, barefoot doctors.
Okay, barefoot doctors. Let's go to number 3. Which of the following was not listed as a standard tongue category formalized in the early PRC period, People's Republic of China? Yung hindi kasama sa category.
Blue tongue po,
Blue
Doc.
tongue.
Number 3.
Number 4. The modern computerized tongue diagnosis systems aim to reduce which specific issue in traditional practice?
Traditional. So, practitioner subjectivity po. Number 1 po.
Yeah. Subjective kasi. Okay, number 5. In research linking tongue appearance to blood viscosity, what tongue color indicated increased viscosity or mataas ang hematocrit?
Okay. So, increased dark red po ito.
Okay, dark red tongue. Very good. Number 6. Which decade saw the rapid expansion of TCM universities and reopening of research institutes after the Cultural Revolution?
1990s po. Number 3.
No, 1980.
Oh, 1980s.
Late na siya.
Okay.
Okay, number 7. Which modern diagnostic feature is not typically measured by digital tongue imaging systems? Actually, may mga machines na.
Sublingual vein po ito.
Yeah, so that
Number
is not
1.
included. So ikaw na bahala titingin. Number 8. Which of the following was identified as a major research area for tongue diagnosis in the reform and modernization era?
Okay, so modern. Number 1, Doc, cardiovascular diseases.
9.
Yes.
What is the primary reason for the basic diagnostic standard among newly trained doctors in China?
Newly trained. So, need to train vast numbers efficiently. Number 1 po, Doc.
O, kasi madami sila. Which political period in China is described as having rejected TCM theories as feudal thinking?
Ano po ito, Doc? Si Cultural Revolution, 1966 to 1976.
11. In the modern era, tongue diagnosis is formally taught in TCM universities across all except which region?
US. Number 3 po, United States.
Number 12. Which of the following tongue color categories was established during the early PRC standardization?
Crimson tongue, Doc. Number 1.
The integration of tongue diagnosis with which other TCM diagnostic method is emphasized in contemporary hospitals?
Pulse diagnosis po.
14. Which research finding suggests a direct correlation between tongue appearance and a specific metabolic condition?
Number 1 po, Doc, dark red tongue, indicating increased blood viscosity in diabetes.
So kung mataas yung blood viscosity mo, medyo hindi maganda, no? So this is also very important. So diabetic na dark red ang tongue, hindi maganda. Number
Mark.
15, kailangan ng ACU. Which of the following best describes the holistic versus reductionist debate in modern tongue diagnosis? Answer?
Number 1 po, Doc.
Yes.
Whether diagnosis should remain an interpretive art or be quantitatively validated.
Number 16, which of these historical developments happened first in the PRC timeline?
Establishment of government-sponsored TCM colleges.
Number 17, which of the following tongue coating types is associated with chronic atrophic gastritis, according to the Journal of Chinese Medicine article?
Gastritis. So, partially filled coating po ito.
Yes. Which of the following is not listed as a modern feature measured by computerized tongue diagnosis?
Tongue movement po, Doc. Number 1.
Which historical period emphasized combining classical theory, clinical practicality, and biomedical observation in tongue diagnosis?
Number 2, Doc. Cultural Revolution.
No,
Oh,
earlier pa. Early
early pa.
PRCP, 1949 to 1965. 20. Which disease was specifically linked to a yellow thick tongue coating in the gastric signs study?
Gastritis, Doc. Yellow tape.
Yeah, yellow thick tongue coating, gastritis yan. Which phrase best captures the viewpoint on balancing didactic simplification with research in tongue diagnosis education?
Balancing. So, harmonize po ito. Harmonize the need for simplification with subtle research. Number 1 po.
22. What is the primary purpose of AI-assisted tongue recognition systems?
Reducing po yung practitioner subjectivity. Number 1.
Malaking tulong yan. Number 23.
Oh.
The barefoot doctors during the Cultural Revolution primarily operated in which setting?
Rural, Doc. Nasa
Rural
sila.
healthcare.
Rural healthcare.
Number 24. Which of the following was a direct outcome of the PRC's early support for TCM after 1949?
Number 1 po, Doc. Systematization of tongue diagnosis for teaching.
Yeah, systematization. Number 25. In modern TCM education, which of these is explicitly listed as a student learning objective regarding tongue examination?
So, evaluate po. Sublingual veins. Number 1.
Yeah, this is very important. Sublingual veins. So, wag kalimutan tingnan yung sublinguals. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.
Ilalim.
You did so well. Very good.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.